while the journey to develop and grow with the pace of time from a crude stone tool to application of skills of rocket science continue. Yet, today food safety and food security are the most challenging agenda globally. And the agricultural sector is of great importance in providing food for human consumption. For the success of the agricultural practices, bundle of skills are applied for successful crop production, including improvement of soil health, water for irrigation, livestock for organic manure, seeds, feed for the livestock, and equipments. Not only that, in order to maintain the sustainability of agricultural crop, integration of knowledge and skills for conservation of natural resources like forest and water near the agricultural farm has to be conserved. It includes the preparation of plant and animal products for people to consume and their distribution to markets to finally reach the end users. Agriculture-related skills are therefore most important for human survival to enable more community resource persons to exist on the earth with enough food. EBRAD, a non-governmental organization established in the year 1985 with its own eco-friendly campus, has been involved in research, training and intervention at various levels of human development. EBRAD is also known for its contributions related to sustainable forest management, ecosystem services, and integrated landscape management for sustainable agriculture. EBRAD has also been involved in series of training for the senior level officials from the government departments, including senior IFS officers, various non-governmental organization representatives, and simple people from the community. EBRAD has also been awarded the prestigious position as training provider for skill development for the participants from agriculture under Utkarsh Bangla by Paschim Bongo Society for Skill Development, an initiative under Department of Technical Education, Training and Skill Development, Government of West Bengal. The training module for the organic growers is designed following the national standard of skill development training developed by the Agriculture Skill Council of India. The training module includes 12 units with clearly specified objectives and performance criteria.
জঙ্গল জল জলের সঙ্গে ওইখানে জমি জন্তু আর জন এটা ইন্টিগ্রেটেড মানে একটা আরেকটার উপর নির্ভর কিভাবে সব খুব সহজ করে বোঝাতে ওটা লোকেরা বিভিন্ন থিওরিতে করছে কিন্তু ওটাই আজকাল সব সময় ওটাকে লোকেরা গ্রহণ করছে।
EBRAD chairman Professor S.B. Roy opines that training and teaching are not the same. He believes that often the sessions and training for skill development are far more challenging than conducting some sessions through classroom teaching. EBRAD launched the program for skill development of the farmers. With the objective to develop capacity of the identified villagers to learn and apply new skills related to sustainable agricultural practice in their own field first, and then to train the fellow villagers to apply the new skills in their respective fields. Now, how are the organic growers selected? It begins with village meetings to discuss the context of practical farming at the village itself and the need for training programs, followed by a discussion of the findings organized into 5 analytical categories along with discussion of their implications. The EBRAD approach provides the learning training opportunities that are independent and self-directed in nature. The model will be typically used by new farmers who have better communication skills, enjoy social networking, and have some experience of operational stages at their own farm but want to take responsibility to train others. Some of them have learning experience and have received some training already, but still the desire to further support or mentor to solve the actual problems of farmer communities does exist. Short-term course-based programs like Organic Growers, participants undergo residential training at EBRAT campus with orientation on theory and practical training.
আমি বাঁকুড়া জেলা থেকে সারাঙ্গা থানা ধরমপুর গ্রাম থেকে এসেছি। আমি এখানে এসেছি জৈব সার সম্বন্ধে শিখতে, জৈব সারের সম্বন্ধে।
এখানে এসে দেখলাম যে বীজ কীভাবে রোপণ করতে হয়, কীভাবে শোধন করতে হয়, কিন্তু মামার বাড়িতে গিয়ে দেখেছি যে তারা যেভাবে বীজ শোধন করে সম্পূর্ণ ঠিক নয়।
আমি এখানে এসেছি জৈব চাষ শিখতে, কিন্তু আমি 5 বছর আগে ছোট ছিলাম, অনেক 13 বছর বয়সে আমি জৈব চাষ দেখেছিলাম।
This is truly a very unique method of capacity building, where the students of skill development get opportunity to learn and share their experiences, seek clarification with experts of international repute. The interaction of the students with the external guest faculty invited by EBRAT reflects the confidence of the students built during the training at EBRAT campus. The skill development of Organic Growers aims at developing high-performing individuals in the field of sustainable agriculture as an answer towards food security and safety. The learning materials are provided by EBRAT for study and application in the field. All the learning materials are designed for day-wise learning, and the participants assemble regularly to discuss on the issues and application of the skills learnt. The participants apply the skills learnt in the EBRAT campus itself with hand-holding support by EBRAT faculty.
তোমাদের প্রত্যেকে কিছু ছোট ছোট বই পাওয়া যায়, যে বইগুলো আমরা যেগুলো জানি, মানে আমরা যেগুলো বলবো না সেই বই পড়বে, সেই বই পড়লে বুঝছি। আমরা যেগুলো জানি পরে আমরা সেটা তোমাদের কাছে পৌঁছে দেবো।
The evolution of the organic grower truly is a step of transformation and empowerment of the farmers, all aimed at food safety and security.